Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again.
Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna do this beautiful festive look, but before that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start off with prepping my skin, and for that I'm using the Rice Ceramide toner from the Face Shop, followed by a good hydrating moisturizer by Plum. Skin prepping is a must if you want a flawless base. Now I'm gonna go in with a primer, and here I'm using Maybelline Master Prime. Now I'm going to use another primer for my eyes, and for that I'm using a Lakme Absolute Primer, and it's gonna smooth out those fine lines and gonna make my eye makeup stay for a long time. Now for concealing, I'm using a Too Faced Born This Way concealer in shade Warm Beige, and I'm using a flat brush to blend it out. Now the foundation that I'm using is a full coverage foundation from Huda Beauty, and I'm buffing it out with a Huda Beauty blending brush. To set my base, I'm gonna use a Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, and for the application I'm using a wet sponge, and till it bakes I'm gonna do my brows off the camera. Now that we are done with our brows, I'm gonna dust off the excess powder. It's time for some contouring with my new Huda Beauty Tantour. It's a cream contour in shade medium. Now for blending, I'm using a fluffy brush. Now I'm gonna bronze it up with a natural bronzer from Rimmel, and I'm gonna sharpen the contour with the help of loose powder. And till it bakes, let's do our eyes. Now I'm starting off with the lightest shade for the transition, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna blend it above the crease. So today I'm gonna use my brand new Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette, and taking this darkest shade, I'm gonna pack it into my outer corner. Now taking this light minty shade, I'm gonna do the inner corner. And finally adding the sparkle in the middle with my ring finger. And now we're gonna repeat the same steps for the lower lid. The brush I'm using here is a smudging brush by Pro Art. Now it's time to do the lashes, and for that I'm using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Now using my MAC Hyper Real Glow palette, I'm gonna highlight the inner corners, brow bone, and the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose. Now let's add some color to our cheeks. Also don't forget to highlight them. And now I'm gonna finish up the look using NYX Powder Puff Lippie, and voila! I am ready and all clamped up to rock this festive season. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!